All right, guys, still in Florence. We're going to a special spot that Nicole found called Locale with really cool wine lists, craft cocktails, and a beautiful menu. And the place looks amazing, so let's go inside. All right, so just up in the bar area. It's really cool up here. All right, guys, so this is the actual menu. They let you pick it blindly. It has a nice little saying and a QR code. I'll go ahead and scroll through the menu via the QR code so you guys can see it. The wine list is immense, but we've decided to do the 6-course blind menu. We told them gluten-free and they allow that, so that's a nice option. It's 120 euro per person, and we have no idea what we're getting, but we're gonna go with it and have fun and see what happens. All right, step one, big one for Nicole. She's not a big fan of seafood, so we've got the spicy mussels here. And then it has a raspberry green apple with a creme. Looks amazing. We got some more goodies here. All right, gluten-free bread. All right, so we got the gluten-free bread. The butter is chicken and green apple in it. Very interesting. All right, so the starter, it's a red snapper. Looks good. All right, so local Tuscan tomatoes. And it's basically a strawberry water with basil. All right, that was excellent. We got some Parmesan crisps here at the table. All right, so we have local fig with some shrimp on top. There's some spicy oil in there, and then the lighter sauce is a fig sauce. All right, we have a white fish, different spices. It looks good. It's a steamed white fish, so we'll see. Not a huge fish person, but I give everything a go. All right, we got some duck legs. And it has bee pollen on top. So we'll see how this is. I guess Nicole loves it already. She's digging in over here. Woo! All right, we got the dessert. It's like a little push pop. Cucumber flavor is what we're told. All right, so we have the bee pollen ice cream. A lot of different stuff. Supposedly just smash it. See the smashed episode. All right, it deserved. Look at this thing. I can't even, you got the fresh figs down here. Now that the guy across the way is gone, I can actually videotape a little bit in here, the chandelier. You can see the restaurant there. We're at the back of the bar, but look at the roof comes off. Oh God, this place is cool, man. Great find, babe.
This is our Michelin with the nitrogen. Oh, okay. It's called a dragon breath. And you have to eat very fast.
Okay.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Yep.
Okay.
All right, guys, I usually don't do a bathroom review, but this one is pretty sick. They actually come in here and wipe the toilet all down for you just so you feel comfortable. All right. All right, guys, I don't even know what to say about that place. It was probably one of the best foodie experiences I've had. Definitely do the coursed meal. Little tip for you though, a lot of the stuff on the menu that you get the 2 choices from that we have on here, those are actually included throughout this menu, so you'll get a little glimpse of what's in store. But it was fabulous. Definitely recommend it. Nicole's looking amazing tonight.
Oh, thanks, babe.
And yeah, definitely recommend it. So it's not cheap, so I like to put the prices on here just because I just think it helps people make a decision before they go somewhere. But it was about, we tipped because the staff was phenomenal.
Like this place should have a Michelin star.
Yeah, it should definitely have a Michelin star. So it was with tip, I think 390 euro. But, you know, we got the limoncello, we got the course meal, we got dessert after dessert, we got the bottle of wine. Oh.
It was in a palace.
And it was in a palace. Anyways, definitely we've got another one coming in another week or two from London that Nicole is very excited about. But we'll see how that one ranks to this one. But so far, this is at the top of our list. If you haven't seen the one from Giverny in France, that was currently at the top. But this one beat it out. Sorry, France. Anyways, take care, guys.